To find the Rocket Money Android app, start by accessing the Google Play Store on your Android device. The Google Play Store is usually found on the home screen or in the apps drawer. Once you have located the Play Store, tap on it to open the application. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Rocket Money. As you type, you will see a list of search results appear below the search bar. Look for the official Rocket Money app, which should be listed as one of the top results. To ensure you are downloading the official app, check the developer name in the app's reviews and ratings. The official Rocket Money app should be developed by Rocket Money, and it should have a high rating and a large number of reviews. Once you have verified that you have found the correct app, tap on the Install button to begin the download and installation process. The app will be downloaded and installed on your device, and you will be able to access it from your home screen or apps drawer. After installing the Rocket Money app, you can create an account or log in if you already have one. The app will guide you through the process of setting up your account and connecting your financial institutions. With the Rocket Money app, you can track your expenses, create a budget, and set financial goals. In addition to the Google Play Store, you can also find the Rocket Money Android app on the Rocket Money website. Simply visit the website and click on the link to download the app from the Google Play Store. This will take you directly to the apps page in the Play Store, where you can install it on your device. By following these steps, you can easily find and download the Rocket Money Android app and start managing your finances on the go. Remember to always verify the authenticity of the app and its developer before installing it on your device.